Hello everyone, we have some great auction deals closing today on Municipid. To start off, we have the classic police car. P71 fans, check this out. It's a 2010 Crown Victoria. It's ready to be customized or star in a cop show. Next up, we have a 2000 International dump truck. Get to work with this beauty, plowing and salting the roads. Then we have a 2010 Chrysler 300. In its past life, it was used for undercover police work. Leave a comment with how you'd use this Chrysler in its new life. These online auctions are ending in a couple of hours, so check them out on municipid.com. Happy bidding and have a fantastic day ahead. See you later.